Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Riyatanta Saputra. I serve as a moderator of Group 4. Today, we will make a presentation with material entitled Caring for the Elderly and Conjunction. In this presentation, it will be divided into three sessions. For the first session, namely the introduction, the second session is the material delivery, and the third session is question and answer. Okay, let's go to the first session, which is the introduction session. Introduce me to Riyatanta Saputra and my friend, namely is Sabila Ayana Sulistya, Syafa Tresnawulan, Fitria Dwi Ambasari, and Elvina Fitriani. Immediately, we enter the second session, namely the material delivery session. Welcome to Sabila.
Conversation. It's been a bus day at Rosemore Medical Center. The nurse is at the end of her shift, but a new client has been admitted, so she stopped by to check on her, practice the dialogue below with a partner. Good morning, Mrs. Chan. My name is Evelyn, and I'll be one of the nurse taking care of your hair.
Nice to meet you. You look really young to be a nurse.
Really? It's nice to hear. I've been a nurse for 3 years now.
Well, I guess everyone is young compared to me. I'm just 72 years young.
Good for you. Well, I see that you are here for a hip replacement.
Yes, my orthopedic surgeon will come to me soon.
Are you nervous?
Not really.
Will someone for your family be here with you?
Yes, I think I hear them now.
Great. Well, my shift is over and I need to leave now, but I'll be back tomorrow at 7 a.m. Good luck with your surgery.
Thanks.
Next, communication strategy. When you are listening to a client talk and you want to show that you are listening, you can use verbal cues. You also need to show the person that you are interested. One way to communicate this message is with a verbal cue as well as with an emotion, such as being happy, sad, or surprised. There are many phrases to use. First, I'm listening. Oh, right. Yes, go on. Second, I'm happy. That's good news. That's nice. Great. Congratulations. Good for you. Third, I'm sad. That's too bad. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. That's awful. Fourth, I'm surprised. Really? Wow. You're kidding? Next, job description of nurse in elderly care. Registered nurses who work at elderly care facilities specialize in an area of medicine called geriatrics. They focus not only on the physical ailments associated with aging but also with mental impairments such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Many of these nurses have only general nursing training, while others hold advanced degrees of certification in geriatric nursing. To work at nursing homes, retirement communities, and assisted living facilities, registered nurses need at least an associate degree in nursing or Bachelor of Science in Nursing. To hold supervisory position, they sometimes need a master's degree or certification in nursing management or geriatric nursing. For example, some postgraduate degrees to become gerontological nurse practitioners or geriatric clinical nurse specialists. Nurses can also earn certification in gerontological nursing through the American Nurses Credentialing Center. Next.
What power terms relate to elderly care? Accelerate death benefit, pre-death benefit from from a life insurance company to a terminally ill policyholder. Activity of daily living are activity normally associated with the day-to-day personal care, such as personal hygiene, using a toilet, or continence, dressing, cooking, eating, and taking one's medication. Adult daycare, a daytime program for functionally impaired adults that provides a, a variety of social and related support service in a protective setting. Adult day healthcare, a daytime program for functionally impaired adults that provides a variety of social, medical, and related support service in a protective setting. Aid, aid and attendant, a type of pension program for wartime veterans. Assisted living, a supportive housing facility designed for those who need extra help in their day-to-day life, but who do not require the 24-hour skilled nursing care found in traditional nursing homes. At home care, medical care provided to seniors in their place of residence than in an assisted living or skilled nursing facility. Care allowance plan, a type of long-term care insurance benefit in which the insurance company pays out a set dollar amount for care on a daily, monthly, or annual basis instead of paying for the actual cost of care. Cash surrender value. The cash value of a life insurance policy where the policyholder to terminate the contract and resell the agreement to the insurance company. CAMFA, Civilian Health and Medical Program of the Department of Veteran Affairs, a medical insurance program for veteran families. CAMFA for Life, an extension of CAMFA benefit for individuals over 65. Continuing care contract, a CCRC contract that restricts the total number of days one can receive care. So the senior require additional care, it can be purchased at the time for a discounted rate. Continuing care retirement community, a community that provides a continuum of care from private residence to assisted living and skilled nursing care. These are designed for individuals that want to remain in a single location for senior years and for seniors with declining condition. Next. Conditional care. Care primarily for meeting personal needs such as assistance in bathing, dressing, eating, or taking medicine which can be provided by someone without medical training. That benefit loans from a life insurance company to a policyholder that is secured by the death benefit. Elimination period. the number of days an individual must hold a long-term care policy before benefit can begin. Funny My Homekeeper. Funny My Homekeeper, a type of reserved mortgage that is now obsolete. Fee-for-service contract. A CCRC contract requires residents to pay separately for their residential and medical costs. Geriatric assessment, a comprehensive assessment of an older person's health, social, and financial need with the goals of improving the overall quality of life. Geriatric care manager, a fee-based professional that assesses a person's long-term care need and financial situation and arranges and monitor the necessary care service. Home equity sharing program, an agreement in which a homeowner receives a cash payment today in exchange for some percentage of their home equity in the future. Hospice, a care program that alleviates the symptom but does not cure the underlying cause provided to dying persons and their family in the form of physical, psychological, social, and spiritual care. Housebound, a type of pension program for wartime veterans. Improved pension program, a type of pension program for wartime veterans. Independent living, community, typical of single family, home or townhomes for self-sufficient senior that want the security and social activity of a community living environment. Jumbo reserve mortgages, a type of reserve mortgages for high value homes. Life care contract, a CCRC contract in which a long-term care such are offered with no additional fees. Life statement, the sale by the policyholder of their life insurance to a third party in exchange for a lump sum of cash. Look back penalty in a attempt to gain eligibility. Some seniors transfer their financial asset to other family member. To discourage this activity, Medicaid considers look-back asset transfer as far as 5 years previous. Medicaid gap. If a senior's assets are greater than the Medicaid eligibility requirement, but are less than the monthly cost of long-term care, the senior falls into this category. Next. Medicare Saving Program, a series of programs designed to help financially needy seniors who are not eligible for Medicaid with the cost of Popeye's premium and care. Medicare supplemental insurance, sometimes referred to as Medigap plans. This insurance extend Medicare benefit. Military retirement. A retired member of the military is someone who has 20 years of service. All military retirees are veterans, but not all veterans are military retirees. Mortgage insurance premium, a special type of insurance required for reverse mortgage borrowers that provides additional consumer protection. Original fee, a fee charged by a lender in one transaction that cover the lender's expense and margin. PACE, refer to the program of all-inclusive care for the elderly, which a comprehensive care with program offered by Medicare. Palliative care, a care program that alleviates the symptom but does not cure the underlying cause. Usually provided to dying patients. Personal care aids. Individuals that provide custodial care or non-medical care in a senior's place of residence. Next. Priority group. One of a different group into which all veterans are assigned based on disability, asset, and other factors. These are a major determinant factor in what health benefit the veteran receives. Progressive neurological condition, any of a number of conditions in which the patient has progressively declining symptoms such as Alzheimer's or dementia. Qualified disabled and working individuals. One of several programs designed to have financially needy seniors who are not eligible for Medicaid with the cost of copays, premiums, and care. Qualify Medicare beneficiary. One of several programs designed to have financially needy seniors who are not eligible for Medicaid with the cost of copays, premiums, and care. Qualifying individual. One of several programs designed to help financially needy seniors who are not eligible for Medicaid with the cost of copays, premiums, and care. Receiver mortgage, along with high level of consumer protection for seniors secured by their home equity, in which the lender makes payment to the homeowner. Section 202 housing, a type of government assisted housing.
Next. Section Egg Rental Certificates. Type of government assisted housing. Service connected disability refers to disability incurred by a veteran that was in some way connected to their time in service. Skilled care ordered by physician that requires the medical knowledge and or technical profession. Residential home for seniors in which care is provided by licensed healthcare professionals. Specified low-income Medicare beneficiary. One of several programs designed to help financially needy seniors who are not eligible for Medicaid with the cost of co-pays, premiums, and care. Spend down refers to the process by which a senior will spend down all their assets on their care until their assets are depleted sufficiently to quality for Medicaid. TRICARE, a medical insurance program for military retirees and their families. TRICARE for Life, an extension of the TRIACARE program for individuals over 65. Viatical settlement, the sale by terminally policyholder of their life insurance to third party in exchange for lump sum of cash. Wartime veterans that served at least 90 days veteran that served at least 90 days and the last one of which was during the wartime that's below but not necessarily in combat. Next. Conjunction. Conjunction are words that link other word phrases of clauses together. Types of conjunction. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Number 2, subordinating conjunction. Number 3, correlative conjunction. Next. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction is conjunction placed between word, phrases, clauses, or sentence of equal rank. The most common coordinating conjunction are fanboys. For karena, some drank some water, for he was thirsty. And dan, I like coffee and milk. Nor, juga, tidak, atau maupun, she did not believe me, nor did my students when I told them. But tetapi, an example, I want to go shopping, but I don't have much money. Or atau, does she has brother or sister? Yet namun, he says nice words, yet you don't trust him. So, jadi atau sehingga, an example, my boyfriend is very kind, so everybody likes him. Next. Conjunction, meaning, and example. For, because, or since, an example, I have to find new job, for I am unemployed. And number 2, and in addition to an example, I am husband and father. Nor and not neither my parents nor my friends support me. But, however, I have got home, but I have not got car. Or either which color do you like, red or blue? Yet, but Tom plays basketball well, yet his favorite sport is football. So, therefore, she was sick, so she could not attend the meeting. Next. Word press word press phrases clauses menggunakan and but dan or. Clauses menggunakan for, nor, yet, and so. Next.
Two, subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is conjunction that combine the dependent clause with the main clause. Subordinate conjunctions can indicate cause and effect relationship, contrast, or other types of relationship between clauses. Most common subordinating conjunctions: 1. Timing, 2. Comparison, 3. Condition, 4. Cause or effect, purpose, and manner. Next. 1. Timing. After I finish my class today, I prepare to visit my grandmother's home. As while I took her book as she slept tight. As soon as, once. As soon as or once I go home, I will play PS3. When I met your father when I was at Baswai. Until or till. Today, Zaki will study until 15 o'clock. Before we start our class, let's recite basmalah together. Since the childhood, he has that toy. Whenever. You can contact me whenever you want. Next. 2. Comparison or contrast. Although, even though, and though. My exam scores are good. Though I didn't study last night. Whereas I've been waiting her, whereas she will not come. Even if Nisa hates me, I still hope her. Next. 3. Condition. As long as. I will come to your home as long as you give me permission. If. I will come to your home if you are at home. Or else. I will come to your home or else I will go to market. If only you want, I will treat you. Unless. No entry unless stuff. Supposing you will win, what are you gonna do? 4. Cause or effect, purpose, and manner. As, because, and sin. Since Rama study hard, his scores are getting good. So or so that. Tomorrow there will be some event so that I have to prepare myself. Purpose. So that and in order that I will study hard so that I get the best score. Manner. As if, as though. He is so happy as if he is accepted. Next.
3. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are pairs of conjunction that work together. For example, both and. You can be both mother and businesswoman. Either or. You can call me either at home or the office. Neither nor neither Joe nor Mursin want to sip the coffee. Whether or he must do it, whether he like it or not. Rather then I would rather go out than stay at home today. Next, as Mariam is as beautiful as her mother. From to I live from Jakarta to Bandung. Both and Tina likes sport, both swimming and basketball. Between or we have to choose the place between Jakarta or Bandung. Between and there are no difference between Andy and Woody. Not only, but also. He can play not only PS3, but also PS4. Either or either Hasan or Zahra who can cook fried rice. Neither nor. That man is neither handsome nor poor. Whether or it doesn't matter whether you come or not.